Hi everyone, welcome to some Forex Trader, and today we are going to learn to buy gold. So buy gold, and just looking at the charts right now, we can see that there is a nice setup right here. So if you're going to draw a trend line here, there's a nice movement up here. So just keep on pushing up. So you got one up here that giving us a nice indication. One here. And another one here as well. So look like we've got also a formation 1, 2, 3 as well. So this is looking at on a daily chart. So each bar here, each candle bar here is equal to 1 day. So and also what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to actually uh, share with you the exit target using the wave calculator here on the red box. So if I zoom in here and we draw 1, 2, 3 setup, so you got a 1 here at the low, a 2 up top. And then 3 is where it retraces down to here. So this is your third target, your third draw. So let me just take it out a bit there. Third, and then your exit will be up here. So looking at exit somewhere up here using the wave calculator. So we use it. We plot a 1 down at the bottom here, the lowest one. Okay, 1. And the second plot will be up here, the highest of that time. And the third one is a retracement down here. This is the retracement. Once you've done that, third bingo gives us our take profit target right here. And as you can see, take profit target is actually, you've got 3 take profit target here that we can see. What we're going to enter, we're going to enter in this area here, in this zone. It's going to retrace towards here a bit before we enter our buy on gold. So yeah, look, here we go. So if let's say we enter a retracement down here at 50% retracement at 1838, your first target will be 1920.02, which is your first target. That's about massive move up there on a daily charts. And then the second target will be 1932.228, and then the third target will be 1947.77 is your extra target here. So if you zoom out a bit more, you can actually see the rest of the target up here. So the rest of the target is here. You've got 4 other targets here that you can actually exit if you want to follow through. So you enter it here. Your fourth target here is 1977.85. Fifth target here is 1992.67. And the 6 is 2020 and 42. And then your seventh target here, which is where it landed back to your previous high of the all time for gold at 26 to 532. So just around this area here, we'll this resistance area here in this red box here. So the highest of the session here is 260, 2060, 2081.79. Yeah, that's going back to about August 21st July, around August 2020. That was the high of the time. So if you go back to weekly and monthly, and that is the high. So looks like it's going to break that high anytime soon. Just looking at the day session, the daily session here, and we're going to go through to a buy for gold. 26.532 is the target where it's going to head back up to where the previous high of all time, and most likely will break that, or maybe it's going to retrace back down after the third target here. Where it breaks is too high, and then it comes back down, retrace a bit here before it goes back up and push it through to 26.502. So that is our weekly alert for the buy gold. This is on the daily charts on the daily candles. Thanks for watching. If you like the show, the video of alert, just put a thumbs up, like, subscribe, shares, and we'll see you back next time. Thanks for watching, and everyone have a lovely trading week next week. And yeah, buy gold. Bye for now.